Samantala, bahagi raw ng pagpakita ng mas magandang samahan ng Pilipinas sa China ang pagbisita ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa Chinese warship na nasa Davao City ngayon. Darito unang balita ni Bam Alegre.
Tatlong barkong pandigma ng People's Liberation Army ng China ang dumao sa Sasa Port sa Davao City. Ang pinakamalaki rito, binisita ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte kasama sina Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana at AFP Chief of Staff Eduardo Año. Sinalubong sila ni Chinese Ambassador to the Philippines Xiao Jianhua at iba pang opisyal ng China. Tinugtog ng marching band ng China ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas at ng China bago sila pumasok ng barko.
Narito pa rin sa loob ng destroyer Changchun si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Nakatakda siyang magkaroon ng tour at inspection, papakita sa kanyang main gun at missiles ng barko, maging ang commanding room, bridge at torpedo storage area ng vessel.
Pagbaba ng barko, may suot pang cap si Pangulong Duterte mula raw sa commander ng barko.
Very impressive. It's clean, and even the carpeting, it's all carpeted inside, and it's like a hotel. A part really of the building of confidence building and goodwill, and to show that we are friends. That's why I welcome them here. And I was the one who asked it. So you show me your warships. Any violence now would result only in both sides losing. There is no winner.
Pabor daw ang Pangulo na magkaroon ng military exercises ang Pilipinas sa China.
I said I agree. We can have a joint exercise here in Mindanao, maybe in the Sulu Sea.
Kailangan magkaroon muna tayo ng framework.
Ayon naman kay Philippine Navy Chief Ronald Joseph Mercado, marami silang natutunan sa pagbisitang ito para malaman ang gamit ng teknolohiya ng ibang bansa, lalo't bibili ang pamahalaan ng dalawang frigate.
We will continue to undertake naval operations at West Philippine Sea. Even if we're challenged, we just respond and continue with our mandate.
Tiniyak rin ng Pangulo na tuloy ang mga infrastructure projects sa West Philippine Sea, kahit pa raw sinabi ng pamahalaan ng China na illegal ito.
The repair lang naman. We have been there since 1974.
Para sa unang balita, Bam Alegre reporting.